3, testing, testing. Can you hear me? If you can hear me and you can see me, let me know in the comment section down below. If you are new to the show, welcome. If you are a tried and true subscriber, then share the stream, because the more people we get on here, the cooler I feel. So, welcome everybody. My name is Arty. This is Crypto Lunch. It's a show where we talk about everything cryptocurrency, all the things that are happening that are relevant in the cryptocurrency space, as well as my opinion on random things. So, thank you all for joining me today. I hope you guys brought your lunch. I don't have lunch today because I've realized once viewing myself on camera that I've got a double chin growing, thus meaning I am eating a surplus of calories and I need to lose some weight. But it's the holiday season, so I'm going to start on Friday. Full-on diet, down 20 kilos. That's the goal. Welcome, everybody. Make sure you smash up the like button. Make sure you guys are telling me where you're from in the chat section, because I want to know where my audience is watching from. And don't forget to share the stream, because I asked. Please. Thank you. Okay, so let us just get into the show. I don't want to wait for people because you should be here on time for Crypto Lunch. Ready? So let's look at the industry as a whole. We are seeing red everywhere. Everything is starting to drop, and I'm going to tell you if it's going to continue to drop or if it's going to reverse from here, because I haven't even looked at it yet. This all happened this morning, and I've been busy with meetings. So let's look at the top losers in the last 24 hours. We got Uniswap down 9.8%. Pretty much everything is down 9 to 7, 8, whatever percentages. Yep. And do we have any gainers over the last 24 hours? No. Nobody is in the green in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. This is going to start some panic, and I think people might even start selling off more. So let us look at Bitcoin USD. Let's take this out right now to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, the 1 hour chart. That's going to give us a good indication of what we're looking at here. Whoa, look at that fat red candlestick. Cool. So you guys know me and my love of Fibonacci retracements. So let's take this bad boy and delete it. We're going to take this bull run from, what is that, December 16th, all the way up to the top of the body of the candlestick. And we are currently rejecting at a 382 retracement. That's completely acceptable because if you look here, whoa, you guys can't see screen. Thank you, Eugene. Jeez, I just get so ahead of myself. All right. I apologize, everyone. Deeply, deeply apologize. Da, 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 da. Okay, cool. So we have Bitcoin here. I'm going to delete this Fibonacci tool so you guys can see what I'm doing. We've got Bitcoin USD on a 1 hour chart. We can see, all my lines and everything that I've been doing. Here's what's going on. If you see normal growth like this is a trend line that I drew, this green line right here. This is about a 45-degree angle, if not a little bit less. So this is normal, consistent growth, what everybody expects. This is what we call a parabolic spike, where the trajectory nearly goes to 90%. Now, if you take a trend line and you draw it on that, like let's just take this trend line and move it, right? So from here to here, like that's some parabolic growth. When you have parabolic growth like this, you should expect a retracement. I don't know when. I'm not Nostradamus. I'm not going to give you the top of the levels. But when you see massive growth like this, And a rejection, the rejection should only go, because there's so much momentum up, the rejection should only go to the 382 level. So if we take this Fibonacci tool and take it to the top of the bodies of the candles, we're seeing a 382 rejection right here in this 1 hour. There's still 25 minutes left of this 1 hour candle, but don't expect it to just bounce off of this and go to the moon again. It's going to go up, consolidate for a little bit, and then it should come back down to retest it. If it comes back down to retest it and breaks through, that's when you're looking at a 50 level retracement, a 618, or it just continues its selling pressure. See this long wick right here on the upside? Look at this. This is another fat rejection. So we could actually start to decrease from this point. Like buying here would be a horrible, horrible, horrible decision. Never catch a falling knife, period. We've broken through. We've had a 10 and 21 day moving average crossover, as well as it's crossing over the 50. And when moving average crossovers happen like that, you get some nice momentum in that direction. It works the same way with buying power. So watch this candle closely. It might actually decay more down from here, to be completely honest, because if it were a rejection here like it did and touched the 382 level, it bounced right up, right? But we've had time to consolidate and hit higher highs, lower highs. And so this is concerning. Not for me, because I'm a long-term holder. I don't really care what the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. When it does hit its bottom, like I'm watching here, I'm not going to buy in here. But if it goes to the 50 level or the 618 level, definitely going to buy some more. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Boom. Cool. So we had the same rejection, a long period of consolidation here. We had Thursday, Friday, all weekend, and now it's Monday, and we're seeing fat rejections again. You also have to keep in mind, and now is the holiday season, people are cashing out of their cryptocurrencies to get some money to buy some presents for their kids and loved ones. So it's the same thing that we saw on November Black Friday. This thing. This is Black Friday. So maybe you guys should expect the same thing here. So if it does decay all the way, I'm going to take this into consideration as well, not just from this pump. Let's delete this Fibonacci tool and put up a new one. Boom. Up to the top of the bodies, we're getting a rejection at the 50 level right now for Ethereum. So it might actually keep going down to the 591 level. If that happens, or if it goes down to the 764, I'm definitely going to buy some more. And that's going to be a short-term position. And then my profit goal is going to be here at the 670 level. That's take profit 1, you take half profit, you let the rest ride, and then you get take profit 2, take profit 3 at $755. So that's what the industry is doing. What do you think of Link also dropped down dramatically. Fantastic. And Cardano ADA also dropped down dramatically. I don't know. It's not altcoin season yet, guys, so I really can't give you good advice on altcoins. Hopefully it bounces when we hit 700 or 800. Yes, Eugene, that would be very hopefully. It would be cool, though, because I've actually been sitting on some money waiting for the price to come back down. I was actually planning on getting in here, but I got caught up in my personal life and couldn't make the deposit on time. And so by the time it went through, it was sitting here and I was like, I'm going to wait for the next pullback. And so this is the next pullback. If it drops down to 591, I'm going to watch it, wait for the double test. If it breaks through again, it could go down to 570. Then I will definitely buy some more, and we'll be on the uptrend, and I'll be a happy camper. So everything's down. Everything's down. And let's go into Cointelegraph because they have the top coins to watch this week. If I could find the article. Did they not do it this week? Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. Best article of the week, guys. Can't recommend it enough. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ADA, Cardano, and BNB. So let's quickly run through them. Bitcoin picked up momentum after the price broke above $20,000 overhead resistance, but the quick rise in the past few days has pushed the relative strength index deep into the overbought territory. This suggests the possibility of a consolidation or a correction in the next few days. This was actually published on Sunday, so they called this spot on. Ethereum broke out of the ascending triangle pattern on December 16th, and the price rallied from $676, but the bulls could not sustain the higher levels as seen from the long wick in the daily candlestick. However, the positive is that the bulls have not allowed the price to drop below the immediate support, 622. The price is currently stuck between 622 and 676. If the bulls can propel the price above $676, it could start the next leg of the uptrend, but obviously that didn't happen, and we rejected down some more. Litecoin is picking up momentum after breaking out of the symmetrical triangle on December 16th, and the target objective of the breakout from the triangle is $119.77. That was hit on December 19th. That's fantastic, because I remember when Litecoin was at $40. Continuing, Cardano has been trading inside 13 to 17 cent range for the past few days. The altcoin turned down from the overhead resistance, but the bulls have still not given much ground. It shows that the traders are not in a hurry to book profits. The rise of the moving average in the RSI in the positive territory suggests that the bulls have the upper hand if the buyers can propel the price above 17 cents to 18 cents overhead resistance. Yeah, so this is still range locked like hardcore. BNB USD broke out, whatever. I don't like BNB. It's garbage. Cool. So that is that. Top 5 coins to watch this week. It's seriously like great article. It's like my go-to read every Monday. Bitcoin drops 22.4K after weekend all-time highs. Ledger threatens legal action after hackers dump personal data. Ooh, Ledger, not the safest place to keep your money, I guess. DeFi boom and Bitcoin rally position next, so close to 2020. The stimulus checks meet Bitcoin all-time highs. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. I mean, nothing really spectacular. Right now, you're just going to see a lot of crappy news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies crashing and that everyone's an idiot. It's only at the point where everybody's saying that, like, oh, this was a horrible investment. Why did I buy Bitcoin at $20,000? Now it's doing nothing but going down. And yeah, that's what happens to people that get on because of FOMO, and then it rejects, and then they sell off and lose money. And then once they sell off, that creates enough liquidity for everyone else that wanted to buy Bitcoin to have it go even longer, surpasses the price that they were originally intended to go up at, and they're just out of the game. And that's why people hate cryptocurrencies, because they don't know how to invest. But you guys know how to invest because you watch my channel, and you know what to look for, and you guys know to buy the dip. Always buy the dip. Number 1 and number 2 and number 3 rules of investing in cryptocurrencies, as well as any other asset. I think the big news is Ledger being hacked. Yeah, I read about that, and that's the problem with large companies. Like, if you want a crypto wallet, you go decentralized. Like, you get, what is it, Element Wallet? Anyway, you get something that's not the most popular brand of crypto wallets, like Ledger's huge. They get all of your information. People sell ledgers on the internet. They're like, buy this ledger at a discounted price. It's half off. And dumb people buy those ledgers when those ledgers have already been hacked with somebody else's address on there. And then you deposit all of your money into that address. And guess what? it's gone. So in my opinion, Ledger is not the safest place to keep your money. We're seeing a nice rejection here at that 382 level, though. I likey what I see. This is scare everybody, have them sell off because they think, it broke through the 100 moving average. And then just below it, boom, trap. I would love for this to just spike up immediately. All of these people, all of these retail traders just got screwed. Basically me last night during long short. Am I right, Eugene? Doing everything wrong that a trader could do. I was just off, man. I've been working my butt off. You need to be focused and you need to be in the right mindset before you start trading. If you're emotional in any way or tired, you're going to make the wrong decisions. I thought hard wallets are the safest, but as long as you keep your... Yeah, like, it's stupid, but I'm old school and I still use pen and paper. So my notes aren't on that. These are just notes from a meeting. But I keep them on a sheet of paper, and that sheet of paper is hidden. Here's what happens. Say all of Ledger's emails got hacked, right? Or a hacker has all the emails. Most dumb people, they took a screenshot of all of their key phrases for their wallet and emailed it to themselves so they wouldn't lose it. One hard attack on any Gmail account and your private key is gone, period. That's why you keep your piece of paper with your written words on it. You don't take a picture of it and you hide it in a safety deposit box at a bank or in a vault in your house. Don't be dumb. Don't get scammed. Don't be like 60% of the people in the crypto industry right now. The scamming is crazy. And this is nothing new, guys. You have to understand that scamming is nothing new. It's not just, it flourishes in crypto. No. When credit cards and debit cards came out, the first time, I remember watching the TV commercials when they came out that you could pay with a plastic thing at a gas pump instead of paying with cash. When credit cards came out, there was non-stop scammers calling your home because back then you had the white pages and everybody's home phone number was listed in a yellow book in the back in the white pages. And so scammers would go one by one and call these numbers and say, hey, may I speak to Mr. Smith? Hi, this is Greg with Wells Fargo. There's a problem with your account. Can you please provide me your credit card number? And people are so dumb and gullible, they'd give them their credit card number and then boom, all of their money's gone. This is nothing new, guys. You just have to be aware of what's going on at the time. Cryptocurrencies are booming right now, so scamming is booming right now. And people are making millions upon millions upon millions of dollars every single day scamming people. Don't be gullible if it sounds too good to be true, or if somebody's asking for your personal information, never give it out. It's as simple as that, dudes. Eugene, how's CoinsLoot? Actually, that is a great transition topic. CoinsLoot is going great. We launched the airdrop last night. We grew our Telegram group from, 300 people to 2,814 overnight. Huge purchases through the smart contract right here at buy.coinsloot.com. You can type in any amount of Ethereum, 5 Ethereum. It automatically translates to the number of loot that you'll receive. Click the buy button. Make sure your MetaMask or whatever connected wallet you have connected is connected. Hit the buy button and it instantly transfers the loot into your personal wallet. It is the safest and most secure way to buy cryptocurrencies. Literally my inbox has over 5,000 messages from overnight, and like influencers and everybody, news articles, they're contacting us, and it's absolutely crazy right now, and it's going to get crazier from here. If you want to buy through the IEO, just go to the links in the description down below, app.coincastle.com/IEO, and you can purchase here clicking this blue button, type in any amount that you want to buy. If you get more than $2,000 worth of loot tokens, you get a 10% bonus automatically added on. Make sure if you buy right now, you buy right now, because on Thursday, the price is going to go up to 8 cents. And if you buy today and then on Thursday, your entire investment is worth 15% more. Done. Click the agree to terms and conditions and buy tokens right here. And that's all you need to do. This is a nice topic. Exchange wallets. Yeah, like seriously, like they say not your wallet, not your crypto. It's the same thing when you're holding money on exchanges. I always hold some money on exchange so I can always make a quick transaction when I see a good opportunity. But all of my long-term holdings are in a hard wallet, like not connected to the internet. It's mine and it's safe and nobody can touch it. Nobody has access to it except for me. Dude, it was bloody last night playing long short. Oof, not good. Loot boxes, I believe, will be opened. I will open up a ton of them live. I'll be the first person to open up loot boxes. And I believe we're going to do it before January 1st during a live stream. It's probably going to be an evening live stream, not these like crypto lunch live streams. So keep an eye out for that. Dude, I use Trust Wallet. I have a lot of wallets actually, but Trust Wallet's easy. I don't keep too much on there because it's a phone application, but it's easy, especially when you want to connect your wallet here. Like you just scan the QR code with your Trust Wallet and you're good to go. But I mean, like another thing, like if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency on your phone, like don't ever lose your phone. And if you do, don't be the dumb person that has their thumb as like the unlock. Like do your third toe on the left side. You know, like you want security. And if somebody steals your phone and knows you have $8 million in crypto, they're going to cut off your thumb. Straight up. So use your toes. That's all I can suggest if you're holding millions of dollars of crypto on your phone. That's just dumb. Don't do that. What about Payer? I'm unfamiliar with it, so I couldn't give you an honest opinion about it, and I don't want to lie to you guys. I'm not like that. So, one more thing about CoinsLoot. The entire mechanism is gaming and microtransactions. That industry generates billions of dollars every single year. We've done that with cryptocurrencies, and we're the only one that's doing that with cryptocurrencies. Therefore, the attention and growth will be crazy and huge. You have the ability now to buy tokens to earn profits off that entire mechanism. If you buy $70,000 worth of tokens, minimum, you will get 1% of all money generated on this platform. That's unheard of. And the reason I say minimum is because not all tokens will be staked. Some tokens will be bought and sold on the open market. Some tokens are subject to burn. So you could theoretically have 2% instead of 1% with all the burning and the selling and the buying. So 2% of all profits made on the platform. It's crazy amounts of money. It's absolutely crazy amounts of money. And I'm going to show you what I mean, just briefly, because these are just projections. Actually, I'm not going to show you because they're projections and but what I've seen is a 6-month ROI. It's huge. Cool. I think we're going to wrap this up, guys. Prices are falling like crazy. Don't panic. Don't sell. If it does hit a bottom price and it starts rejecting, you could buy more and dilute, add more positions and dilute your current value. So like always buy the dip, right? Never sell, always buy the dip. And in 10 years, you'll have amassed so much cryptocurrency that you'll be like, okay, I'm set. I'm going to buy whatever I want. I'm going to buy, like, if I make a ton of money, this is my life goal. Ready? Beautiful cabin in the woods, surrounded by rolling hills and mountains, with a river so I can go fly fishing. But the reason why there's mountains and stuff is so I can do mountain biking. and I'm going to have like a passenger van converted into a mini RV. And I'm going to travel all around Europe with my family. And that is like the pinnacle of success for me. So to each their own. Some people want Louis Vuitton everything. They want a Louis Vuitton Bentley. Cool. Make money. Do your thing. This is just my thing. What price range would be good to buy Bitcoin? Okay, let's look at it. If it rejects here, nothing to shake a stick at. It was a small correction, and that's it. You are looking at, if it double taps, if you get a double bottom on the 50 level, that's 21,815. It's probably not going to happen because crypto doesn't really like a 50 level retracement. You're looking at 21,258 on the 618 level. Always go on the second leg. Don't buy it right when it hits here and then it goes up and rejects back down and goes further. You always wait for the second leg, a W formation. If you guys don't know what I mean, a W formation. So we want it to hit, reject, hit again, and then go up to the moon. W formation, buy only on the second leg. Don't buy here. Bad. Same with reverses. Like you were looking for an M formation. Guess what you got here? An M formation. Make sense? This one actually had a triple leg just to really mess with people. So let me get rid of all this stuff. So you're looking at 21,815 on the 50 level. You're looking at 21,238 on the 618 level, or worst case scenario, even down lower, you're looking at 20,000 even. I don't think it's going to fall below 20,000. If it gets to 20,000, you better buy that mofo like ASAP. That's going to be this would be clutch, dude. You'd have such a high profit. It would bounce back from here so fast up to 25 grand. A slow Mazda RX-8. I don't think there is anything. No. Dude, there's no such thing as a slow Mazda. They have rotary engines. Haven't you seen Fast and the Furious? Vin Diesel. Mazda. NOS under the seat. My goal would be a Nissan GTR for now. Dude, I've driven a GTR, and actually, like, for a week I had one. And the thing is so lethal, like, you cannot drive it slow. Even in a parking lot, you, like, tap the gas, and it's like, like, it wants to unleash the beast at all times. It's, like, furious that it can't drive fast. So if you're stuck in traffic in that thing, miserable. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I love the support for the channel. I love all the likes. I love all the thumbs ups. I love all the subscribers. Like, you guys to the ends of the earth. Anyway, cool. We will see you in tomorrow's crypto lunch. Oh, hold on. Wait. Don't leave. Stop. Don't leave. Tomorrow I'm doing a live Zoom call. Like 100 seats limit. And you guys can come join me. There's links in the description. There's links on Facebook. There's links everywhere. Get into that Zoom call. Okay, that's enough.